Welcome to JC's Stocks and Markets podcast for October 2nd, 2022. I am JC. I've been investing in the stock market for 40 plus years. I've made good trades and investments and some not so good, especially this year. My intentions with these podcasts are to share my unique thoughts and opinions with individual stock and ETF picks with an emphasis on dividend-paying securities. Those are my favorites. The idea is to share my thoughts and possibly give you, the listener, some investment ideas so you and I can maybe make some money. Not doing this for income, nor am I trying to earn any advertising revenue from anyone. Just enjoy doing this. I hope to share some chances to make a little money along with you. During some shows, we may stray into other topics or news that affect the stocks or ETFs that we're discussing. That can include commentary on government and politics, Federal Reserve policies, current events, or just other thoughts that rattle around in my head. The opinions shared in these podcasts are my own, and they are just that, opinions. I invest in many of the stocks and ETFs that are featured in the podcast, and I will try to let you know if I have or will establish a position in these securities. By all means, everyone has to do their due diligence before investing any money into anything, especially these days with Federal Reserve policies. Be careful. These stock opinions and picks are no exception. Do your own due diligence. With that, let's go make some money. The position in stock I want to talk about today is Entergy Corporation, ETR. That's one I've been looking at for a long time. I actually got a position just recently. Entergy is an energy service corporation. The utility segment generates, transmits, and distributes electric power in Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Texas, and New Orleans, and distributes natural gas in some areas. They also have a segment that handles decommissioning and operating nuclear power plants. They generate electricity through nuclear, coal, hydro, and power. They sell to other utilities. They sell to retail users, electric cooperatives, power trading organizations, that sort of thing. It's a pretty large company. It was founded in 1913 and is headquartered in New Orleans, Louisiana. First graphic I want to share with you for Entergy, symbol ETR, is a couple things off their, if this is from Yahoo Finance, it has pretty low beta, 0.57, which is good in these turbulent times with the market moving all over the place and with Federal Reserve doing their magic and really squelching just about everything in terms of equity value. PE ratio is fairly low compared to their competitors at 16, and forward dividend is 3.62% paid quarterly. Also to note, the Entergy stock price has gone down about 20%, and I'll show that in this next chart. Essentially gone from about 122 to about in the 100 range. I really think this is ready for a bounce. It's very oversold, and I think it's got support at about 102 plus or minus. We'll have to see in the next few days, to be totally honest. Federal Reserve is causing some real heartburn. The Bank of England has had their problems, especially with the tax cuts that they tried to instill there. So there's been some financial shakeups. Just tread lightly if you're going to invest in just about anything these days. But I believe this is a pretty good stock. Let's go further. What I like about Entergy is, as it is a government-regulated utility, the adjusted EPS guidance for the next couple of years looks to be very good, about 6 to 8% guidance upward for the next through 24, and that's direct from Entergy Corporation's information. I think you're going to see this go up. I think you're going to see dividends go up as they have for the past, it's been over a dozen years. This is a pretty good company, and the dividends are going to be increasing as well as earnings. Some more information to back up the dividend that I've been talking about. Essentially, Insider Monkey has it that some insiders and also some institutions have been buying quite a bit of Entergy stock, and you can see that they've been paying uninterrupted dividends on its stock since '98. So I missed that one, and raised payouts consistently for the past 7 years. It looks like it's going to continue to increase earnings and increase payouts, I would say. So I would definitely take a look at this. Be careful with the markets. It's kind of treacherous out there, but do your diligence. With that, I'd like to say thank you for listening. I hope you got something out of this. The outro is a song by Just One Goat. It's a song called She's the One. I wrote it. It has significant meaning to me. And happy investing. Again, do your due diligence. Federal Reserve is not our friend these days. And sometimes some people really abide by, don't fight the Fed. I'm getting to that camp again. Be investing.
But I know my way back home. A loving girl is physical, but I never have to roam. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. Everything is magical, even when she's not around. No, it's not that radical, I just know what I have found. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. She's making my life so much stronger. God, let me stay just a little bit longer. She's the one. Yeah, she's the one. Wasted all this time. She's the one. Oh, she's the one.